Hello everyone, this is Sonia Putran.
I'm Navya.
I'm Pratiksha.
I'm Gayatri.
We are from CSC Department of Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management. Today we are going to give a presentation on how to install DOSBox and how to execute code using DOSBox.
What is DOSBox? DOSBox is a free and open source DOS emulator that allows you to run software for MS-DOS compatible disk OS. Mainly you can run DOS video games through it. MS-DOS is Microsoft operating system and it fully runs on commands. That's why new Windows users are unable to operate DOS operating system. DOSBox is an emulator based on MS-DOS, which is the reason why Windows users don't know how to use DOSBox to run DOS games and applications. Now let's see how to download DOSBox. Click on the link which is provided in the description box and then go to download DOSBox by clicking here. Then go to downloads. Then click download. After downloading, click on the downloaded file. Then read and accept the license agreement by clicking on the next button. Then go back to the link and download 8086 and click here and then download.
Let's see how to execute code using DOSBox. Just double click on DOSBox in order to open it. First we need to mount the file. Now type in mount C. Here I am typing C because I extracted my zip folder in C. Type mount C space C colon / 8086. 8086 is my folder name. The drive C is mounted. We have to navigate to C, so type in C colon and press enter, so that we can use all the files present in the 8086. Then type in edit filename.asm and press enter. Here .asm is the extension used. Now we are in the programming window. The code snippet is already written. Save it and click on the file and exit. Then type masm.filename.asm. This is the command to link the code. Then press enter to skip the prompt. You will get 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. Then link it using the command link filename.obj and press enter. The next command is td filename.exe, where exe means executable files. These are used to run a program. This is an executable file.
This is a code and this contains two segments, that is X segment and Y segment. X segment is considered as a data segment and Y segment is considered as a code segment. In X segment we initialize the value of array1 and array2 using a command dw, that is define code, and here we are transferring the elements of array1 to array2. We initialize the array1 with the 4 values, that is 4 hexadecimal values, and array2 as 0, and then taking another variable count, which is number of values to be transferred, and we initialize it with the command dw, and this is all the end of the X segment. And here comes to the Y segment. Initially we assume the Y segment as CS and X as data segment. We begin the program with the command begin. We transfer the elements of segment X into register, set the register AX as a data segment, and next to transfer the values of array1 as a source index and array2 as a data index using a command offset. We use the immediate data transfer and store the value 4 in counter register, that is X. And in next step we are here using the loop. And in the first command we transfer the element of source index, that is elements of array1, into the register AX, and then transfer the element of AX into the data destination index, that is A2. Here the first element is transferred from array1 to array2. Since it is a world, we increment Si and Di. As once element is incremented, we decrement the value of count, that is Cx. Then we use the command J and Z to jump the back to the level back. Now J and Z is used to repeat the loop or repeat the loop. If the value of count register is 0, the loop under the program will be continued. If the value of count is not 0, and then if not 0, then the loop is repeated. Next line we set the value of AH and 4CH. We execute the command int21H. These two lines are the commands of the DOS interrupt which end the program. This is all about the while segment, and the program ends.
Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how the output is processed using this code. This is the program counter value. These are the instructions, and these are the X code for these instructions. These are the flags. First instruction is move AX 48AD. At AX, the value is 0000. If you run the code with next instruction, that is using step over or a function f8, here AX value is updated to 48AD. Similarly, we can update the DS value with function f8. It moves to next instruction, and here DS value is updated. And similarly, SI value is also updated, and the DI value is also updated. Next instruction is incrementing the SI. Here SI is updated to 0001. Next, if we press again, here SI is incremented again. It gives 0002. Similarly, DI is also incremented. Then next is the jump instruction, where it puts the instruction in loop. Here we put the loop for 4 times. Here it is executed once, and see it returned back to 000E. One time execution is done. Similarly, second time, third time, and fourth time. During the execution, all these variables are updated and the program is terminated. Thank you.